In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram only sending messages to mutual contacts. If you've noticed that your messages only go through to people who have also added you, your account may be temporarily limited by Telegram's anti-spam system. Don't worry, there's a built-in way to check your status, and if it's a mistake, submit a quick appeal right inside Telegram. Start by opening Telegram on your phone or in your browser. In the top right corner, tap the search icon and type @spambot. You'll see several results, so look carefully and choose the official one with the blue verification checkmark next to its name. That badge is important because there are many similarly named bots. The verified badge ensures you're talking to the real support bot. Open the chat with the verified bot and tap the start button at the bottom of the screen. The bot will reply instantly. If your account is limited, it will explain what kind of restriction is in place and provide the exact date and time when it's set to automatically expire. Take a moment to read that message closely so you understand what triggered the limit and how long it lasts. Many limits are temporary and will lift without you doing anything. If you haven't been spamming and believe this restriction is a mistake, look for the quick reply option that says, "But I can't message non-contacts." Tap that. The bot will then ask you to confirm that you've never sent unsolicited ads or links to people you don't know. Choose the option that says, "No, I'll never do any of this." Be honest here. Confirming something that isn't true can hurt your case. Next, the bot will ask you to explain your situation. Keep your message polite and specific. Briefly describe what you were trying to do, why you were messaging people who don't have you saved, and any context that shows normal non-spam behavior. Avoid sending links or repeating the same text you might have used in multiple chats. A clear human explanation works best. When you send that message, your appeal is officially submitted. From here, you may need to wait. If the bot indicated a fixed expiration time, that's often when the limit will automatically go away. Your appeal helps clarify your intent and can prevent future issues, but it doesn't always speed up the current limit. In the meantime, keep your outreach gradual and genuine and try to have people add you first when possible. And that's it. You've checked your status with the official spam bot, confirmed your good behavior, and submitted a clear appeal to restore messaging to non-contacts.